Once we get offers on your home is when the fun begins. It can be stressful if you don't receive the amount you were hoping for, but don't worry about that. That's why you hire a good negotiator like myself. Hi, I'm Lisa Romero with Echelon Realty and Equity Real Estate. Once we receive offers on your home, there are a few essential components that need to be done prior to meeting with you to discuss the offers. We vet all of the buyers by calling the agent and the lender and making sure that the buyer is truly qualified. We verify funds, ask critical questions, find out about how motivated and in love with your property the buyer is, and so on. During this process, we are also getting to learn about the buyer's agent and lender to see how much experience they have, if they've properly educated the buyer, and to get an idea as to how they are going to be to work with. Believe it or not, the buyer's agent is just as important to ensuring the deal will close as the buyer's qualification. After vetting the buyer, their realtor and lender, then we meet with you to discuss the offer and review the terms. We will give you our advice on the offers in regards to the pros and cons of each, but ultimately you will be the one making the decision as to which offer to take and what to counter. Now, if we have multiple offers, meaning more than one offer, there is another process that we could go through. We give an offer line deadline date, and then we counter all the offers requesting them to give their highest and best offer. Once we have those, we meet with you to discuss which of those offers you would like to counter. Generally, this gives us an opportunity to get a higher price from the buyer and better terms for you because we're picking from the cream of the crop, so to speak. At this time, the buyers can choose to accept our terms or to counter us back. You have the opportunity to choose which offer you would take at this time, and again, we'll advise you to the pros and cons of each. Once we come to terms, we are now officially in escrow and under contract. Watch the next video to understand what happens next and what to expect regarding timelines, etc. Understand that in most cases, if you're dealing with a loan, the average time frame to close is going to be about 30 days, give or take. If you're dealing with a cash offer, you could close in as little as 3 days, but usually it's 7 to 12 days. I'm Lisa Romero, where doing the right thing for my clients comes naturally.